can go whole day without being on my phone. I'm feeling so sad, I'd rather be alone.
Nowadays all I see plastic surgery.
I need to do that to make a nigga want me. I got real also, I'm a nice baby. What's up, traders? Good to see you again. Good to see you again. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? It's another day to move the markets. It's another day to move the markets. Mark your attendance. Tell me, how has your day been? I am trading binary options, and currently I am looking at Brent oil OTC chart. Ain't nobody with a price like me. If you know somebody, you're gonna have to show me. Good to see you all. Good to see you all. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Currently, structure is bullish. So let's see if we can get any moves already. I mean, we got no time to waste. We got no time to waste tonight. We wanna be getting this bag real bad. Hafiz, good to see ya. Silva, good to have you. All right, our first entries are locked in a plus. This is a good sign, guys. This is a good sign. Traders, tell me, how has your day been? Ethan, how are you? Godwin, good to see ya. Good to have you all, traders, in the building. Honestly, buyers are really still moving the market, and my bias is still bullish. I actually had a great day, guys. So tell me, how has your day been? Do you have any traders that looked at the chart? Share with me your experience. How was it for you today? I can live on my dreams, yeah, and I know they take on. It's a lifestyle. It's a lifestyle. I know they take on. It's my lifestyle. This is a trading assembly. Of course, we are here to learn and also share experience, because why not? Michael, good to see you. I know they post for them. I know they online for 2 weeks. Why do you feel to take that buy entry like that? Okay, guys, whenever you are in the market, you do not take trades because you feel like you want to buy or sell. We honestly take all the trades that we are taking from the chart, because you have seen a confirmation. We do not trade with emotions, we trade with confirmation. So anytime you see me executing a buy or a sell, there's a reason backing it up, not just me looking at candles and execute, or feeling like I want to execute in a particular zone. I follow my strategy and I be executing based on that. And in a few, I'm gonna get into the strategy. In a few, we are gonna get into the strategy. All you have to do is to lock in. It's a lifestyle. It's my lifestyle. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question, traders. Tell me, how has your day been? Ethan, did you look at your charts? Godwin, did you look at your charts? I mean, you cannot be calling yourself a trader, guys, if you take forever to look at your charts. It shouldn't be like that. I'm a standy defender like Joseph you. Like I say, on Netflix and chill. So I chatty get give her money. If you fall in love, Kelly satin. You go to breakfast and no happy. Can you see people I'm not catchy? I'm not faking this, no fantasy. You see these feelings, I'm not catchy. I'm on quest and feet, I just want it. Happiness. If I broke, now my business. Jerome, good to see ya. Someone comment locked in, because I need you guys fully locked in so that when I start getting into the strategy, you can easily catch on. So someone comment locked in. I want to know where you're locked in from. I want to know where guys you're locked in. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? This afternoon the market was highly volatile. So in situations like that, what do you do? You have two options whenever you are in a volatile market. One, to stay away from that chart for some time. Two, you can switch between, if you're looking at, for example, if Brent was really extremely volatile for me to trade, I have an option of checking out other pairs like gold, like silver. So it is always upon you. It is always best when a trader does not only trade a single pair. You should have at least extra two, extra three. In case the one you use to trading is not really moving well, you can always switch. Yeah, that's the best way you can really be. I'm not going to tell you please take the day off. No, don't take the day off. Switch the pair. Yeah, you have to be continuously checking out other pairs, guys. You okay? Yes, it is always nice to look in and understand how a single pair moves. But the truth is, you can also. It is always so important to know how other pairs are moving, because if you have mastered your strategy, that means you can apply it on other trading pairs. So the best thing you can do is to practice it not only one on a single chart. You can always be trying it out on other charts to get more confirmation. I mean, today you could find that in your trading time, the pair you used to trading, it is consolidating. We all know a consolidating market is so hard to trade. You can always check out another chart and you could find the other pair is moving smoothly, and you can also lock in the profits.
You see these feelings, I'm not catching. I'm on quest and feet, I just want it.
You can come here with us. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. We are always here to learn. Yes, I look at the chart, but understanding the chart is very important. Obviously, if you're looking at the charts and nothing is making sense to you, please don't trade, because chances of you taking losses are high. You have to be knowing exactly what you're doing, or you have to be knowing at a certain level what you're really doing. I'm a real sheep. She makes sure she keep her nails done and the wig fixed. Alright, I took these cells here because you can see structure is bearish, and we all know after a break of structure in a bearish trend, you anticipate a pullback, and that pullback is supposed to really go up and doesn't take out the high. The moment it takes out the high, it ceases to be a bearish market, and we can see this pullback didn't really make a big difference. It did take out the high and gave us a bearish confirmation by this candlestick pattern you see here, and I took the sales that have just closed. Honestly, guys, one thing you should know whenever you're trading, it is not all about looking for the most complicated things on the charts. It is about really keeping it very simple. I know when you're starting out to trade, you'll be thinking the harder you make it, the more you're really gonna be looking in the entries. But the whole point is to try to keep it as simple as that. First, understanding what is the market I'm dealing with, understanding how market structure operates in all the markets you're looking at. And we all know market structure is going to be showing you the turning points in the market. So all you have to do is to All you have to do is to know when to take a pullback move, know when to take a continuation entry. That's it. So Godwin, let me hope you have really got it. Yeah, that is pure price action, not complicating things. As a trader, try not to complicate anything for yourself. Keep it simple. I mean, if I'm looking at the market, the first thing I want to know, is it a bullish or bearish market? Is it a sideways market? Because we all know all those markets structure moves differently. And like I always tell you guys, the best thing you can do that is going to really help you to really get those executions. It is simple. Know what makes each thing valid in every condition. So if I'm trading with, I'm looking at structure, I would want to see valid market structure. Not every high or low in the market really is valid, but you would want to see what really, which high is valid and which low is valid. There, it helps you getting more mechanical entries that are most likely to really close in a plus compared to just executing because the market has just broke structure. Of course, if I am looking at a bullish trend and the market takes out the most recent high, I'm going to assume that it is a break of structure, of course. But the most valid way to understand break of structure, it is to know that if a high is taken out, I would want to see a candle closing above that high. Or if you're in a bearish market, I would want to see a candle closing below that low. That's what makes market structure very valid. If you're looking at candlestick patterns, you would want to see what makes this particular candlestick pattern valid. And it's going to be, I am trading that candlestick pattern in a key area. Not every candle you're going to be seeing on the chart is really going to be making sense. You would want to trade with those candlesticks that are in key areas. So that's what trading is all about, especially when it comes to getting executions, entries. You have to be, every time you think of getting an entry, you have to know what is making it valid for me to take this entry here. And if you cannot see what is justifying the reason why you're taking the buys or the sells, that's it. You have to find those reasons and they have to be valid. There's a lot of bad things that we wish and wish and wish and wish and wish and yeah. What are your trading rules and what's your trading? Okay, my trading rules. The first trading rule I have, we have to show up consistently. And the moment I'm looking at the charts, I am fully locked in. It is really important for you to know that aspect because sometimes, this is from my experience, there are days I would be trading and I'm looking at the charts claiming I'm in a trading session, but I could just really jump off from my station, maybe try to do something, then come back. By the time I come back, the market has really left the zone I was looking at. Then that is a missed entry. So the first rule I really have when it comes to trading is, once my trading session has started, I am fully locked in. Phone is on DND, notification silence, nothing. I told you, whenever I'm trading, I do not want to be with anyone. I can only trade when I'm with traders. If I'm not with fellow traders, I'm not having any conversation around. Yeah, it is really important to know that. Building that simple discipline, you can tell how much it can really help you whenever you're trading. Guys, yes, if you have a girlfriend, put her on D&D. I mean, you have to first get the bag, then you go cruise. If you're not getting the bag, she will not also want you. So the more you really lock in, that is the point of locking in. You don't just lock in just on charts. You have to lock in even with your surrounding. Because the more you look in like that, it is helping you build discipline. Then when it comes to trading and we are looking at my trading rules based on my strategy, the first thing I always think about whenever I'm looking on the charts is first understanding the market I'm in. Currently we are in a bearish market, that's why I'm taking these sells. So let's see how they close. Okay, and sellers have not done us bad. Look at this. Looking great. Yeah, the next thing I always look out for is if I'm in a bearish market, is market structure confirming it's a bearish market? We all know structure in a bearish market is a series of lower highs and lower lows. And if structure is confirmed it is bearish, the next thing is to know when I'm going to take a pullback and a continuation. That's it. And the other thing that is really important for anything is to prepare your trader's mindset. When you execute entries, guys, whatever happens after your execution, it's not your business. So for you to ease your mind or for you to really to focus on better trading, don't focus more on really getting, if I execute buys, you don't focus more on the market really going up because you have no power, any single reason how you can push the market up. It is just to accept whatever comes out of it. And that simple, understanding that simple concept, it is knowing that that's what makes trading risky. Because if it wasn't like that, everyone would be a trader. But guess what? It's only few of us who are locked in. Because we are able to really understand that concept about trading. Be humble. Sit down. Good to see ya. Haman, good to have you. Judith, good to see ya. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Good to have you all. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question, traders. My strategy is simple. It is price action. And when it comes to price action, it's all about locking in and keeping it simple with a few confluences of understanding market conditions, structure, and candlestick pattern. If you can compile all those three concepts and you understand what makes all of those three concepts valid, then you become the best price action trader around. Carl, good to see ya. Mr. Sunny, good to have you. You guys are crazy. The guy, good to see ya. Good to see you all. Sit down. Sit down. Motion movement, good to see ya. Guys, my entries are not only based on the Keltina channel, but whenever I'm really looking at Keltina channel indicator, guys, I used to really dance to this song. So whenever I hear the beat, it really excites me. But anyways, this is a trading assembly. So whenever I'm looking at the indicator, I want to see a breakout either to the top side of the indicator. And if you get a breakout to the top side of the indicator, you're going to anticipate buyers in the market. But as a price action trader, after seeing that, I back it up with first understanding is market structure confirming that yes, we have got a breakout, but is market structure confirming it is shifting bullish to support the cause? Are you seeing any bullish candlestick patterns that are giving you momentum for you to anticipate buyers in the market and start looking forward to taking buy entries? So that's how I use the Keltina channel, and the opposite is true. The opposite is true for getting a breakout to the downside. You anticipate sellers in the market, but you'd want to see market structure shifting. You'd want to see market structure shifting bearish, and also seeing candlestick patterns confirming a bearish movement. Then you can consider taking sales. Show us some moves. Nah, guys, we are locked in in the markets. The moves will come later. Teach me how to do. But you all know that I know how to duggy. I mean, I cannot be fully locked in like this, and I don't know how to duggy. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn, traders. We are here to learn. Feel free to ask any trading question, because anything that is making you curious, ask. Because honestly, when I was also starting out to trade, I had a lot of questions, and them being answered, it really eased my mind as a trader. Star made the beat, I just took it out the oven. I just see the dirty when everybody clubbing in that Yale CSD. Hey. Oh my god, I had anticipated a pullback here, but we get taken out. Oh my god. You don't keep my light no more. You don't make it ring. I can keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring. Should I call first? I can't decide. I want to, but a bitch got pride. Switching up shit is what I can't fuck with. I'm feeling you, but you can't get in touch with. You ain't hit me up in a while, acting like you don't know a number but a dial. Quick, and that's it. I'ma throw in the towel, cause a nigga only gon' do what you allow. You don't want this gun smoke, then the text that you know, so your thumb broke. I don't care if we get into it and I stall on your ass, but I still wake up to miss calls from your ass. You don't no more. You don't make it ring. I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring. Nah, nigga, now you gon' have to call me, cause I'm looking at these messages, they on me. Acting like they ain't niggas that want me. Let another nigga in your spot, and you gon' be hot, nigga, call me. You gon' be sick to your stomach. Hit me when you free 1-800. It's emergency, call me 911. It's right now, I'm out here trying to find someone. The ring on my phone, ring on my finger. You acting like you ain't trying to do either. What's a good girl? Watch me turn diva. Here goes my heart. You don't keep my light no more. You don't make it ring. I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring. Used to be on my line, on my tip all the time. I just miss you, I just miss this, baby. Guys, whatever we learn, the next thing you do is to lock in on your charts and you keep on practicing. We all know trading, it's a skill that you build with time. So if you're not really practicing whatever you're learning, then you may not be really benefiting anything. Whatever you learn, you have to practice it on the charts. That's how your skill is going to really. That's how it, that's how your skill is going to develop or get refined. Learning so many. I mean, that's the whole point why we are here. We are here to learn. But anything that you're learning, you have to practice it. The more you practice this trading, the better you're really going to get at. When I was setting out to trade, honestly, the market structure I was trading with, or the market structure that I knew, it's not actually the market structure I'm trading with, but it all comes with really practicing and honesty, consistently showing up in the market. Because if you don't, then you're not making any progress. You have to practice, and the more you're really into the market, it's also going to help you with your trading psychology. We all know most of our losses come from trading psychology. So the more you're looking on the charts, you're going to realize some things like fear of execution, fear of the market. They're going to stop being your problems, and you have better things to focus on.
Shorty go down, down for me. What's it go so far now money? Girl, no brother, so do me. You're too short and tough for me. All over, all over, all over, all over, all over again. Yeah. Where you are, no be like so divine, so you fit the color of my bed. Yeah. All over, all over, all over, all over, all over again. Yeah. She go to beside me. Yeah. We never see this kind of love, yeah. You make me want to fire, yeah. So you go cause it casala. And girl, you love me, Ashana.
Silvertone, that is really nice. That is really nice. I'm glad you're fully locked in. Yeah, I'm glad you're really making a difference in your trading. Nick B, good to see ya.
Shorty go down, down for me. What you go so far now money? Girl, no brother, so do me. You're too short and tough for me. All over, all over, all over, all over, all over again.
Guys, are you seeing this? This is some crazy momentum kind of from sellers. Fully locked in, as it should be. What indicator doing? Guys, when it comes to indicator, use both the indicators and the strategy. So it is working both, it working in between with both. You know, when it comes to trading, it's all about getting confirmation. So the more confirmations you have, the better you're really going to be having. The more confirmations you have, the better you're going to be getting better entries. That's one thing I could say. Because honestly, if I was only looking at just a single indicator, I feel like there would be something lacking. But using the indicator and adding it up with price action, it gives me more confirmation to take trades with some confidence. That's one thing I would say. Yeah, that's why we get to follow and understand what is the market condition. What is the market condition? What is market structure? All those are confirmations that you're following, and the more they are confirming and aligning with what you anticipate, the better. So that by the time you get to execute, you know that executed sales, because I'm in a bearish market and the market had just given us a pullback and it failed to take out a high and gave me a bearish confirmation. Then I'm taking these sales because of that, and let me wait and see how it goes. you have a confirmation, it doesn't mean that that is certainty, but at least you are at a certain percentage that you anticipate that try to go in your direction.
But tonight I'm getting stuck, nigga. Hold the codeine up and put some Molly in the cup with it. I know she a freak, she gon' fuck with it. She my Velcro, guess I'm stuck with her. Dive in it like a sailor, I love the nail her. Addicted to her paraphernalia, I had to tell her. I see it like a fortune teller.
I can't wait for today's contest. All right. Actually, in a few, Nickby, we are gonna get into the donations. In a few, I know most of you guys really love donations. That's the truth.
I don't need no Molly to be savage. When I'm on that Molly, I feel savage. She the definition of a bad bitch stoler. I'm the definition of a bandit. I don't need no Molly to be savage. But when I'm on the Molly, I feel savage. Hey, my girl, the definition of a bad bitch stole her heart. I'm the definition of a bandit. My brother point out that she a bad bitch, I'm on her. Ain't heard that I'm a savage. Once I get a bitch, I own her. I see she got swag, I got cash, so I want her. See this 4-5 in my pants, put on your ass with your own her. Shorty, she a rider with the giz on her. And shorty, I'm a daughter with no semen on me. If we got a problem, we get rid of.
You're waiting for that donations. All right. In a few, we are gonna get into there. In a few, we're gonna get into them.
Like this 30-38, this bitch a damaged. Poppin' with this 4K Trey car when you land with it. I let you drive inside my bros where they been laying with it. I work this bitch, I open up a can with it. Like fuck the stove, I make it jump without my hand in it. I don't need no Molly to be savage. When I'm on that Molly, I feel savage.
There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using and its pocket options. And its pocket options.
When I'm on the Molly, I feel savage. Hey, my girl, the definition of a bad bitch stole her heart. I'm the definition of a bandit.
This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question.
This one, sir.
By the just look of the charts, you can clearly see this is a bullish market. You tell a bullish market by just simply looking at the market going up. That is the easiest way you can tell a bullish market. But as a trader, you confirm a bullish market by looking at structure, moving in series of higher highs and higher lows, and continuously taking out the highs and maintaining the lows. So for the bullish market, the strong points are the lows. So the moment you see a strong low is taken out, especially on your execution time frame, don't hesitate to really switch your mindset or to shift your bias from being a bullish market to a bearish market. We all know all these movements on your execution time frame or lower time frames, they only be facilitating either pullbacks or continuations on higher time frames. So if you see any change in structure, you have to keep an open mindset that you shift your bias immediately.
Зажимай тиски, кто не с нами, кто теплее одет. Да нужно темпом зал разогреть. Наша тусовка самый цвет. Что скажешь? Базара нет.
All right, we get to close a pullback move there.
She know they into designer.
But she don't mind to wear them.
She don't want me behind that. She know I no man for no problem. No, no. If I tell her Gucci, she go say no. If I tell her Louis, she go say no. If I tell her Prada, she go say
no. No matter the money,
my baby no fit give a pussy
to nobody, yeah, to nobody,
to nobody, to nobody, to nobody, to nobody. No matter the money, my baby no fit give a pussy to nobody.
Trading is good, of course. And she loves it. Honestly, I've been looking forward to look at the charts. So I guess I do love it. I enjoy being a trader. No matter the circumstance, no matter the losses I've taken from the market, no matter what, I'm already locked in. I have nowhere to go. I'm already locked in on these markets, and I want it to be that way. With everything that comes with trading, with the risk that comes with trading. Honestly, guys, the days I really didn't give up, it was because when it comes to trading, if you've ever seen some profits from trading, and actually you've seen the profits, you have withdrawn, you have really cruised on those profits, I don't think you can really ever switch your mindset and stop being a trader. So I've experienced all that, and I don't think I'll ever wake up and I'm not a trader. Bad days, good days, I'm willing to take on the risk. What time frame do you use for analysis? I look at 3 time frames, guys. I look at a 5-minute chart, 3-minute chart, and this execution time frame where my candles are 5 seconds. But still, as you're doing all that time frame market analysis, it is the same concept. I try to understand what is the market condition on a 5-minute, what is the market structure on a 5-minute, so that when you get to your execution time frame, actually it is really important to know the market condition on a higher time frame, because it is only going to just clear your mind when you are on a lower time frame. For example, I am looking at a bullish trend on a lower time frame. This can only just be proved to be a continuation on a higher time frame. So if you know that and you can easily relate both of them, that's how you do multi-time frame market analysis. Same strategy, just different time frames, but you just have to relate them in that way. Barbara, good to see you, my dear. The Emergent, good to have you. Welcome to the Trading Assembly.
She know I know my for no problem. What do I want to do?
I love that, the guy. I love that.
Bad bitch, small waist, pretty face.
Hey. The guy is saying some days the market was being the market as we know it, because the market, there are days it's going to be the market even when your strategy is in line. But it didn't stop me though. Exactly. And that is the mindset every trader should have. Honestly, you shouldn't really be feeling so. There are days that are going to finish you. There are days that you're going to feel like trading isn't for you. But if you have ever really looked at the other side of trading, you can never give up. And that's the truth that is the reality about trading. If you're not willing to take the risk, then you're not meant to be a trader, because trading is all about taking the risk. No one has 100% certainty that if I execute buys, they are going to really close as they are going to really head in my direction. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But that's what trading is all about. The next thing you have to do and understand is risk management. And that's why risk management is There are very many risk management rules out there you can use. Personally, you see me whenever I'm starting my trading session, I start risking small, and as the account is growing, I keep on increasing the risk. That is my rule to risk. That is my risk management rule. I do not play with. No matter what, you start risking small and you just keep increasing as the account is growing, because that is all about trading. Oh my god, my entry gets taken out. So if that mindset is not going to be sitting in your head, trading isn't for you. I'm sorry to tell you that. So I agree with you, the guy. That is the mindset we are all gonna be moving with as long as we are locked in on this trading assembly. She can play when she see the double R. She find out careful with me. Bad bitch, small waist, pretty face. Having my way, having. She let me nut on the face. Stay in your place, shut up and stay out the way. Shut up. Decided what I'm gonna do today. I'ma go ride the rave, ghost. I'ma go ride the rave. I wanna look at the stars today, ghost. I'ma go ride the rave, ghost. I'ma go ride the rave, ghost. I'ma go ride the rave. Thinking my company that done today. I'ma go ride the rave, ghost. I'ma go ride the rave. Pull up if you feel lonely. Fill up, baby, feel lonely. Pull up if you feel lonely. They call me Megatron, just did a telethon. He got my jealous on, and I get my jealous on. I fuck him like I miss him. He just came out of prison. Bitches be talking shit, but they ain't got a pot to piss in. My name is Nikki M. I'm in a sticky Benz. That means it's candy apple red. I'm Barbie, this is Ken. That is a Fendi fact. I'm with 100 max. Oh, this is custom made. When will that donation start, guys? In a few, we are gonna get into them. I'm drinking. It's better when I'm drinking. I tune up when I'm drinking. Rum when I'm I'm drinking. It's better when I'm drinking. I tune up when I'm drinking. Rum when I'm. This is the trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. We are here to learn. Our queue is already up for the donation, so if you're ready, let me see you comment ready. Feel up, baby, feel lonely. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. I'm drinking. It's better when I'm drinking. I tune up when I'm drinking. Rum when I'm. I'm drinking. It's better when I'm drinking. I tune up when I'm drinking. Let me see you comment ready, because in a few we are gonna get into them. Bite me, that excite me. He said it's my pussy. If you eatin' it, do it precisely. Cause I'm a millionaire, this pussy pricey. He said it's my pussy. My pussy. Cause I'm a millionaire, this pussy pricey. Fill up, baby, feel lonely. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Fill up, baby, feel lonely. you're feeling lonely. Shots I'm drinking. It's better when I'm drinking. I tune up when I'm drinking. When I'm shots I'm drinking. When I'm feel up, baby, feel on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Feel up, baby.
This one right here with me. Okay. Yeah. We started off as close friends. Somehow you turned into my girlfriend. We used to tell each other everything. I even went and bought a diamond rings, mentioned earrings, everything was so cool. Baby, been acting so rude. I don't know what somebody told you, but I ain't gon' lie, Mr. OU. I know you remember how I would hold you. Still remember how I approached you. I think I loved you before I knew you. No, we be fucking before I screwed you. Made a promise, I won't use you. Play my cards right, I won't lose you. Got them tuning like I'm YouTube. Got some on me like it's voodoo. I go nuts so you go cuckoo. Lose my cool and all. Man, I know that shit was wrong. I shouldn't have did what I did. Just wipe your eyes and stop bitch crying. I told the truth that I've been lying. I gave you racks, I tried to buy it. I even did the unthinkable.
Yeah, let us wish good luck to all the participants for tonight.
I probably would. Take you back if I was you and I did what I did. I probably would. Just wipe your eyes and started crying. I told the truth that I've been lying. I gave you racks, I tried to buy it. I even did the unthinkable.
Honestly, guys, I feel like if you're a trader, the best thing you can really learn and apply in your strategy is understanding market structure and understanding the right market structure, because it is really going to ease your trading. To me, market structure shows me the turning points in the market. And like I always tell you, if you are able to spot the most recent highs and the most recent lows in the market, and you also spot the most recent break of structure at that, those three concepts, when it comes to market structure, they are really going to be directing you whether to take a pullback move or a continuation just by looking at that, because most of the times the market is either moving to take out a low or to take out a high, and sometimes it is consolidating in between that most recent high and the most recent low. So if you really focus on understanding market structure and the valid one, it's really going to really change your trading game. But the market is still dropping. It is still dropping. Let us first get this pullback move. Market broke structure, took out a low, gave us a pin bar followed by a bullish candle. Took the buys because I know this is a very good confirmation. Like I always tell you, if you see a pin bar after a break of structure followed by that candle that is in its direction, closes above it, guys, that is strong. That is a very strong confirmation if you're looking at structure and you're looking at in terms of valid points. Let's be real. You ain't got no cash. You ain't got no dollar. They stay with that drama. Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Let's just be honest. Let's be real. You the only nigga in family style. Walk in the bitches start filming. Sitting with a man, body ass still grand in the sign. I so hot, mind on. Fast life, This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. That was really getting close to my entry, but still locked in. So such entries, I can easily tell that it was timing that really saved them. That's why whenever you're trading, timing is really important. If you spot a move, don't hesitate to execute, because any single moment you're wasting, you could be right, but since you entered late, your entry may be invalidated because of that. So timing is also key. After getting the strategy, timing is also important. All right, guys, let us secure our profits for tonight, and we get into the donations. No hesitation, you say it exactly. Rufus, good to see ya. Nick B, do it for me tonight. All right. Why not? Why not? As long as we are locked in, we are only gonna wish for the best.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Let's just be honest. The only feeling. So let's just be honest.
Let's be real.
Let's just be real. Let's just be. Let's just be.
So let us lock in for our first participant.
Let's just be.
Fully locked in. All right, Bernadette.
KD, as women, there's rules we need to stand by. Stand for something to fall for anything.
Never let a nigga fuck you over more than once. Anybody owe you bread, do not accept the crumbs. Remember, you can never
First attempt is in, and it is in a plus. Okay.
Money to the side, don't let no
Just want to go for my brain. Okay. Anything.
Any points to be made, don't be scared to prove it.
And you better look fucking good when you're doing
You know
it.
this shit get ugly. I had a bitch do me the dirtiest to claim to love me. I went through hella shit and back to be kicked up and comfy. You see how hard I grind, my bitch don't never call me lucky. You fuck a nigga good enough and he gon' think he own you. The broke ones usually insecure, the rich ones try to control you. That's why it's always best to choose the one that's real and loyal. Cause money come and go, but it's some shit you can't teach. I gon' always separate the hustlers from the leeches. The loudest is the weakest, give a fuck by what they screaming. And don't be matching fucked up energy with hoes.
This is starting to look like a bearish seller's market. So let's see.
Anybody owe you bread, do not accept the crumbs. Remember, you can never tell these bitches everything. Today she call you sis, tomorrow she enemy. Money to the side, don't let no nigga leave you dry. Stand no business, if they say it's up, you better ride. Keep the family first, put that in front of everything. You gon' roll the dice on anything. Any points to be made, don't be scared to prove it. And you better look fucking good when you don't be laid up face down with your ass out.
Our second attempt is in, and like I said, this is a seller's market. I mean, if you are in a seller's market, the easiest way you can trade is by following that sellers. And just like that, our second entry is locked in by following the trend. Let me see you type congratulations to my brain. Let me see you type congratulations to my brain.
ain't always sweet, bitch. Gotta stay on her Q's and P's. Never let a nigga fuck you over more than once. Anybody owe you bread, do not accept the crumbs. Remember, you can never tell these bitches everything. Today she call you sis, tomorrow
She's the enemy.
money to the side, don't let no nigga leave you dry. Stand up business, if they say it's up, you better ride. Keep the family first, put that in front of everything. Take that on yourself if you gon' roll the dice on anything. Any points to be made, don't be scared to prove it. And you better look fucking good.
I want to see more congratulations to our participant. You know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away. On to our next, James. All right, I saw someone asking, there always one candle lit, and that I feel like if you're always like that, sometimes it could be a problem of you doubting your entry. You could be seeing the right entry, but you take a moment, you hesitate because you doubt yourself. That's one thing I would tell. So in the moment of doubting yourself, like I always tell you guys, if you spot an opportunity, don't hesitate to execute, because the longer you take to execute, all that time matters, because it may affect you on how your entry may end up closing. So you can work on that. Whenever you're trading, you shouldn't really, whatever happens when you have executed shouldn't be your business. That is the mindset you should have. Because even if you want to, you cannot change, you cannot really push the market up if you have really executed buys. So you just have to wait.
Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time?
Oh,
All the pain we brought
what?
you still
That
in
was
your
really
mind.
playing there. Okay, let us get it again.
On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better, like that's better than yours.
Your life is better than yours.
Being broke is better, like that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next.
Guys, this song is
I
deep.
ask for strength from the Lord above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good. And touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of
Wow, I'm loving this. I'm loving this from Sellers. As anticipated, this momentum.
Cash and minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hit me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. Such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Such thing as a life that's
better than yours.
Such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
Sellers, you better do your thing. I'm anticipating more sellers here. Oh my god. Our entry gets taken out. Look at this. Look at this. I really don't like such movements. I'm sorry about that, James. I'm sorry about that. Next time we are gonna look in better.
Love yours.
We pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. We pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
All right, guys, let us lock in 2 attempts for our next participant.
And when your plans unravel in the sand, what would you wish for if you had one chance? So we're playing airplane. Sorry, I'm late. I'm on my way, so don't close that gate. If I don't make that, then I switch my flight and I'll be right back at it by the end
Can you
of the
pretend
night.
like airplanes on night sky like shooting stars? Okay, structure shifted. It's in the bullish hand now. So all you have to do right now to either get a pullback entry or get a continuation entry. So these are pullback sales. Let's see how they close. But this is really gonna let us see how it goes. Market has just broke structure, gave us a bearish confirmation, and it really went on so well here. Honestly, I cannot blame Raphael, who loves taking pullback entries. Pullback entries, sometimes they are sweet. Hey, let us watch out and see if we can get another move. My bias is still bullish until the market is pulling back and taking out the most recent low. But other than that, bias is still bullish. That's why I'm taking these buys here. Let me see type congratulations. Let me see type congratulations to our participant. 2 attempts are in. Lysaru. Let me see type congratulations. 2 attempts are in, fully locked in. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away. I need to see more congratulations. I need to see more congratulations, guys. There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using. Oh my god. I told you long ago. Raphael is saying sometimes pullback entries are bitter. No lie, no lie. Honestly, pullback traders that are only pullback traders, you really be you'll be risking a lot. That is some crazy risk, because most of the times pullback entries turn out bitter. But anyways, the more you keep on practicing, guys, you can really perfect your craft, and anything that is working out for you in the market is what you should stick with. What? Where is this momentum coming from? Oh my god. I was about to say congratulations, to be honest. That was a crazy turn. Okay, let us refund and try again. Let us refund and try again. You know, if I take a loss on the first attempt, I refund and try again. Enrique, good to see ya. Good to see ya. Julian, good to have you. Welcome to the Trading Assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. Okay, it seems like buyers are really getting strong, guys.
My track record so clean, they couldn't wait to just bash me. I must be getting too flashy. Y'all shouldn't have let the world gas me. It's too late cause I'm here to stay and these girls know that I'm nasty. I sent it back to her boyfriend with my handprint on her ass cheek. City talking, we taking notes. Tell him all to keep making posts. Wish he could, but he can't be close. OG so proud of me that he choking up while he making toast. I'm the type that you can't control. Said I would, and I made it so. I don't clear up rumors. Where's y'all sense of humor? I'm done making jokes cause they got old like baby boomers. Turn my haters to consumers. I make vets feel like they juniors. Say your time is coming soon, but just like Oklahoma, mine is coming sooner. I'm just a late bloomer. I didn't peak in high school, I'm still out.
Let us see how these sales close. Let us see how these sales close. Okay, we finally get our attempt. Let me see, type congratulations to Gav. One attempt is locked in. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away. If you want to be part of the participants tonight, it is simple. There is a donation link down in the description. You can use that and you surely be added on the queue.
Let's get the party started. See you at the bar, you was hardly talking. That's when I knew that your heart was starting. Friends to lovers need a part to star in. Like, wait, babe, let me ask.
Alright, guys, I need you to wish luck to Nick B. Wish luck to our next participant. Just 3 attempts to lock in, so let us watch out and see.
He was in a bad mood when we stepped in. Though you checked out and we even checked in. On the phone, you gon' vent to your best friend. The one who gave me the lecture, but I ain't gonna sweat you, babe. I'm gonna let you catch up with your boy, undress you, and let me tell you why I'm a blessing.
Yeah, just 3 attempts to go for our next participants. Let us pass by here and see how it goes. Structure is confirming buyers in the zone, so let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm loving this. First attempt is in.
It's shy when you singing it, better than Beyonce. I like the sound of Beyonce. You know it's got a little ring to it, really, when I think of it. Growing up, I didn't ever see marriages. No weddings, no horse, no carriages. I want to do things different and change the narrative. God knows you're a wild child, beautiful child. I need your help. Looking like you come from the 90s by yourself. My mom's 61. My favorite line to tell her son is sometimes she wishes she had a girl. I want to take you back to a time, back to a trip. You had that white wine that I never got to sip. And dinner wasn't real because you never got the pick. I know that everybody told me that I'm sick because the way in my mind, moving away in my heart. I know you feel the same way you're me. You know I'm more than me.
Just 2 attempts to go. Just 2 attempts to go. Someone comment locked in, guys. I need to know if you are still locked in. Someone comment locked in so that if I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on. I need you guys commenting locked in. We all know whenever you're looking at your chat, you have to be fully locked in. There is no time for taking off. Okay, Carl, you're still locked in. And you're locked in. Oh dear, you're locked in. Emeka locked in. Jerry, you're okay. William, you guys are fully locked in. I like that. I like that. I like that. Now I can see. Okay, we are taking in our second attempt. Let's see how it goes. I love such entries. Where you execute and they immediately go in your direction. Just 1 attempt to go. Honestly, I enjoy entries that you make and they immediately rush in your direction. Yeah, let's see how these sales close. I'm already loving this. The moment I see 2 candles closing in my anticipated direction. Okay. Guys, are you seeing this? Let me see, type congratulations to Nick B. Nick B was really coming after me. Let me see, type congratulations. To our participant. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away. You guys are crazy. I'm seeing someone is saying 1 more attempt for Nick B. You guys are crazy. Yeah, I need you guys typing more congratulations to our participant. 3 attempts are in, locked in. And it is still a bearish market. That's the beauty about following that trend, guys, because you never know when it's coming to an end. The mindset I would really discourage from any trader is to think that the market is oversold or overbought. It is not nice. All you have to do, you should be a trader that is moving with confirmations from looking at the charts, not anticipating that the trend is done. You have to see a confirmation. And that's how it should always be. Trade with confirmations, not assumptions. Confirmations always. Nick, you're locked in. All right. Cat Lover, good to see ya. Hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got you, baby. Structure is still confirming bearish momentum. And when you're in a bearish market, you have two options: to take continuation trades or to take pullback entries. The key is to look for where to get them, that's seeds. And those are the key areas where you're going to be getting those confirmations. As a price action trader, your key areas are simple: at the highs and the lows in the market. If you can easily map out that, guys are interesting. Much love from here. I love you too, guys. I love you too, guys. Much love, much love. Baby, I don't need your love, we still have fun tonight. Have fun tonight. All right, second attempt is in and it is locked. You're welcome, my dear. You're welcome. I mean, you can cruise. You can cruise. I mean, because why not? You can cruise. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Tell me honestly,
would you still love me the same?
if I showed you my flaws?
If I couldn't be strong,
Tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? Right, I'm on no. If I judge for life, man, would you stay by my side? Or is you gonna say goodbye? Can you tell me right now? If I couldn't buy you the fancy things in life, shawty, would it be alright? I'ma show me that you do. Now tell me, would you really ride for me? Baby, tell me, would you die for me? Would you spend your whole life with me? Would you be there to always hold me down? Tell me, would you really cry for me? Baby, don't lie.
we're moving steadily, This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question, traders. We are here to learn. Yeah, we are here to learn. And guys, wish luck to our participant, Alfred. Yeah, my strategy is simple: price action. So all my entries are based on that. All my entries are based on that.
If I did not have nothing else to give but love, would that even be enough? Tell me if you know. Now tell me, would you really ride for me? Baby, tell me, would you die for me? Would you spend your whole life with me? Would you be there to always hold me down? Tell me, would you really cry for me? Baby, don't lie to me.
Guys, all the indicators, I'm using them with the default settings. Do you teach your strategy? Of course. I have videos on this channel talking about the strategy I'm using. And currently now I'm also teaching it. All you have to do is to fully log in. Yeah, and we are always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. You can always join the trading assembly, you learn. Yeah, when it comes to price action, all right, guys, let us first type congratulations to Alfred. Alfred, congratulations. Be the same. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away. Would you still love me the same? Yeah, more congrats to Alfred. How can I participate? There's a donation link down in the description. There's a donation link down in the description. You can use that and you surely be part of the participants. The house got to me. I got chicks in the pit like boss to me. It's how I'm supposed to be. Yeah, it's how I'm supposed to be. Yeah, it's how I'm supposed to be. Everything look like it's supposed to be. Pull up to the club and then go up. Make your girl fall in love when I show up. It's not my fault, she wanna know me. Show me the start of home, babe. She came down like she knew me. Made it up like a book. Oh, you're welcome. Honestly, I would also be happy. So go and enjoy yourself, Alfred. Go and cruise. Go and cruise and enjoy yourself. I mean, that's how we are going to be moving. Get money like I'm supposed to be. Get money like I'm supposed to be. All my niggas close to me. Guys, when it comes to price action, the key thing you have to first understand is this is a continuation entry. You can see structure was confirming a bullish market, so try to pull back, didn't take out a low, and it gives me a bullish confirmation. Pin bar followed by a bullish candle, strong momentum. That is a very strong signal candle. Candlestick pattern showing strong momentum. Once you see it in a key area, all you have to do is to execute. Don't ask questions, don't hesitate, execute and just watch and see. The donation link is down in the description, guys. The donation link is down in the description. You can use that. Just one attempt to go. And I don't even know her name, but I know that she don't know. Yeah. She chose up while you're mad at home. Don't be mad about it. She's for everybody. Marianne, see free. I'll make her do it. Okay, guys, let me see type congratulations to our participant. Two attempts are in. Two attempts are in. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away.
It's your anniversary, isn't it? And your man ain't acting right. So you packing your dummy gear, luggage up, calling my cell phone, trying to catch a flight. You know one thing.
I'm not feeling it. On to our next.
My chain got spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made on to? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in that time that you wasted all of our bridges, but now wasted my nights. You
Turn out the light down. You're welcome, my dear. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. I know you're gonna be cruising, but don't forget to lock in, guys. On good days, bad days, anytime, don't forget to lock in because that is how we are gonna be moving. Always fully locked in for life. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. Yeah, we are looking in for trailer 3 attempts. Whenever you're trading, the key is always analyze the market. You don't analyze the market at the beginning of your trading session. You analyze it continuously. Anytime you're looking at the chart, you have to be asking yourself, where is the market most likely to head? What is the market condition? Is market structure confirming? Is the market structure confirming the market direction? If you can ask yourself such questions and you answer them, then to get an entry, it's going to be easier for you because we all know if you are able to identify that the market has just broke structure, like now to the downside, you're going to be anticipating a pullback in the opposite direction. So if I'm to get a pullback, I want to see bullish candles confirming that. Am I seeing a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern closing above the previous candles? And if I'm seeing that, then I can look forward to taking the pullback move. Whenever you're going to trade with candlestick patterns, you have to trade with the right candlestick pattern. That is really important. You do not just see one candle and you conclude that the market is pulling back. You'd want to see serious momentum in the opposite direction, then you take a pullback entry. If the market pulls back, doesn't take out the most recent high for a bearish market, gives you a bearish confirmation, then you can start looking forward taking selling entries. That is the concept that you should always have at the back of your mind, always as you're looking at the charts, especially when you're looking at the zones where you want to take an entry. So again, let us first get this continuation move because why not? Because you can see the market pulled back, failed to make any serious move, showed us bearish momentum as you see it. Then you take the moves. It should be kept that simple whenever you're trading, keeping it simple but only focusing on what is making it valid. That's what trading is all about, making sure that you're getting these entries on the valid key points. If you want to. Interesting. This is our final attempt for trailer, so let's lock it in. That means I'll fuck you, I'm a boss. Let me see type congratulations, guys. Let me see type congratulations to our participants. 3 attempts are in. You guys are interesting. Someone wants me to be their girlfriend in the next life. Because in this life, what is happening to you, Raphael? In this life, you're not yet there. I'm the in the street. Out of me. Guys, even in the next life, I'm still going to be an appreciating asset, so it doesn't matter. In this life or in the next life, I'm still going to be an appreciating asset. And you know the things I want. You know the things I really want. That means I'll fuck you. I'm a boss. Interesting. Interesting. And if you can relate. All right, guys, we are looking in for Anderson. 3 attempts. 3 attempts. I'm seeing you guys are signing deals. I'm seeing you signing deals. What deals are done? This is a trading assembly. The only deals we are taking in here are understanding the markets and looking on how good we can really lock in and get this thing. I make money.
Young money, young money, young money, young money, young money.
Love in 1,000 different flavors. I wish that I could taste them all tonight. No, I ain't no dinner plans, so you should bring all your friends. I swear that to all of y'all my type. All the girls in here, if you're feeling thirsty, come on, take a sip, 'cause you know what I'm serving.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Swalla la la.
Swalla la la. Swalla la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Swalla la la. Swalla la la. Swalla la la.
Freaky, freaky, yeah. Bad girls don't swallow la la.
Bust down on my wrist and it bitch. My picture ain't bigger than this.
This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question, traders. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from? Someone comment your flag. I want to know where you're watching me from, traders. And always fully locked in for live. Sellers on to something here. Sellers on to something here. Yeah, let us execute these souls because sellers down to something. Anyway, this is a continuation trade. So all continuation traders, this is for you. And it is locked in. And it is locked in. So congratulations to Anderson. 3 attempts are in. I see guys from Botswana. I see Saudi Arabia, Trinidad, Ghana. Guys, good to see you all. Good to see you all. You know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away. Swalala. Swalala. Hey, I'm seeing someone from Romania. Someone from Romania. Good to see ya. Shy. Hey, guys. Oh my god, you guys are interesting. You crazy. Anyways, much love from here. Much love from here. It's always nice to have you guys on the trading assembly. The platform I'm using, it's Pocket Options. Oh my god, Raphael, I see ya. There's a link in the description for the donation link. So if you want to be part of the participants tomorrow, you can use that. There's a link in the description for my Telegram. You can write to me anything. And guys, I have a Telegram Signal group. So if you want to join, it is simple. Create an account with my link. Write to me via Telegram showing me proof, and I'll surely add you to the Signal group for free. If you want a cool bot for trading, there's a link in the description for Skynet trading bot, and it is for free. Guys, yeah, you can always try it out. Bye. Victor, you said at the beginning, you said you want me to marry you. Now you're changing, you want to marry me. What do you want? What do you want? Make your point clear. Interesting. Someone is saying Victor should look for Victoria. I agree with you. To be honest. Oh my. Don't call Raphael name. I always get jealous. Guys, we are one family. We are one family. The trading assembly. There is no reason why you should get jealous. You guys are interesting. Anyway, we are always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So be sure to join the trading assembly to learn, to also catch up with fellow traders. I mean, that is what we do. And we are always here locked in for life. The moment you join the trading assembly, just know you have locked in for life with me. And as long as the markets are opening, that's how we are going to be cruising. As long as these markets are still opening, locked in for life. Hey. Are you dating? I'm married to the markets. Married to the markets, and I divorced the losses. Anyways, you guys love knowing my status, but I'm fully locked in on the charts. Honestly, I don't want any distractions. But if you come with what I need, you all know I'm an appreciating asset. So if you come with what I exactly need, you know ball. She's not my fault. But I hope she smells my perfume. But I hope she smells my perfume. Today I was busy and also trying to trade. It kissed me badly. Yeah, you have one thing I can tell you guys, whenever you're thinking of picking a trading session, you should pick time that is, you're not going to have distractions. Honestly, if you lock in and you also focus on protecting your capital, you're going to realize you're going to try to build a market, you're going to try to build discipline around the market that is going to keep you safe from really losing your capital. But as long as you really didn't, your account was not fully taken, you can always come back with market discipline, come back stronger, strategy in, risk management, and you move like that. George is saying that because of the YouTube time lag. So while you're here, guys, focus on learning and asking trading questions. Yeah. Makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way. There's a link in the description for my Telegram channel. You can join a community of traders. You can see we are locked in from across the world. All you have to do is to use the link and join. I'll catch you again tomorrow, same time. Jeremiah, good to see you on the trading assembly. So I hope to catch you again tomorrow, same time. I love you so much. Bye. This hearts for you guys. Bye. Bonjour, Kashmir.